Hey guys, I literally made it. I'm trying to find parking. I'm gonna park right next to my friend because she's already here. I see her waiting in her car. Guys, we got our little strawberry baskets. Oh my god, my mom's gonna be all like, oh, why can't you take me? Really?
I literally told me. She literally told me about this place. I was like, yeah.
We're trying to look for the little wagon. I don't know where the hell it is, but we're just gonna follow the trail, I guess. But it's so windy, but there's like no one here, so I was like, slay. I see people lined up. No, I'm scared.
Okay guys, she's a YouTuber.
I don't want to be a YouTuber.
And if you guys come back to the melon for this, that's fine. First time here, first time.
He's me.
A lot of people. Well, up there's our driver, Jorge. Let's say good afternoon, Jorge.
Good afternoon, Jorge.
Blackberries, carrots, Brussels sprouts, Swiss chard, cabbage, cauliflower, all that jazz. See? And now they can walk in our chicken coop as well. And all of us and I was like, am I gonna
Nice.
I said we can. So we grow even as close to the street over there. Right over here, we grow things like Brussels sprouts over here, the Japanese turnips, Swiss chard, all that grows over here. A majority of this side of the farm is all vegetables.
My beets. Guys, we're gonna pick some carrots. Wait, how cute. Wait, let's go more down. Oh, look at the little one.
I ripped the stem out.
Okay, try another one.
Okay, we're here at Tanaka Farms. Wow, we get to poles.
We're getting some carrots. Everyone's vlogging here or what?
You happy, Mama? If it's a little from the orange part, really easy to just get it from the tip of the carrot.
That's so cute. Six. Like, wash it. Oh, I like that one. That's a fat one. Dang, yours are better than mine.
Because you guys made it to the field really quick and easily to take it.
Guys, look at the strawberries. Oh shit! Oh shit! You gotta fall.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Guys, look at the strawberries. Like that one looks really good. Yeah, we're gonna take some pictures.
Pretend like you're picking. I'm taking a little video.
Oh. Hold on.
It smells so good.
We're gonna put my camera in.
It's looking like
Picking strawberries. Are you taking photos?
Show them your camera. Oh my god. Okay, I'll take videos.
I was like, what was that? Guys, my camera fell. Thumbnail. You're actually picking it? Maybe I should do that too.
I don't remember doing that. I think I did this. I think I did
Guys, look at it. He said we can eat them too. Guys, we're gonna do a taste test. I'm scared. Oh yeah, it's bomb.
It's so good.
We have 15 minutes. Oh my god, hurry up.
And oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna
I dropped on the floor. You guys can see that. We trying to get back up. Hot, guys. Oh my god. He said we can fill it up as much as we want. Gonna continue picking some strawberries. They're actually really good. They're really sweet.
That's a good one.
Guys, that didn't happen. Okay guys, put up the basket. Cute.
Girl, I'm okay. I need a picture.
Guys, we just got off the little wagon and this girl, look at this girl, she's all excited. Our strawberries. We got a lot. We literally like just threw them all at like the very last 5 seconds because we were timed. Look at the cow. But now
Not the Karen.
but we're looking at the animals now. This one's a cow?
Yeah, there's a. Is it a cow? I don't know. For real, I'm just gonna wash my hands.
There's a big old horse. So cute, that one. Show you a little OTD.
Alright, tell us where your outfit's from.
Oh, jeans are okay.
Where's your outfit from?
Old Navy, thrifted, and these are from Vivea. I don't know. I got some on TikTok. And yeah, that's my outfit.
Urban, ASOS,
We're waiting to pet the horse, but there's so many people there. Tiger. I'm waiting for the move so I can go. So I can just go record it.
You're relaxed.
Guys, we are at miniature.
Wait, take two.
Ah, they're like, do not disturb me.
They're scared.
Guys, I wanted to pet them, but I guess.
Oh no.
Why is their butts braided?
They had to show off. Go off,
Anyway, guys,
queen.
we're seeing the little animals, so let's go. I don't know what's in here, but
This is so fun. That's you? You're scared. Damn, do we stink?
Oh, we saw that in the fish.
Oh, that one likes you. Nice. No offense, he look musty.
I want one. Oh, we gotta open the gate. It's so cute. Can you guys hold it? Guys, the strawberries are actually really good, really sweet, and we're able to eat them as we're picking them too. But we're too busy to take pictures. Alright, a little snack. We eat them all before we go eat.
They're so sweet.
Strawberry picking success. What was your favorite part? The horse?
The carrots.
Oh, the carrots! I forgot about the carrots. I didn't show you guys the little baby carrots. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm in the car. Me and my friend are decided to go eat at a little place. So that's what we're doing. Also, I have my phone right here, so sorry if it's in the way. But we're going to a little Mexican, like little taco spot. I don't know. So, we're a little hungry, so we're gonna go eat. I just got to the little place. Let's go inside to go eat. Hi.
Hi, for two.
Yeah, it's gonna be our back left corner. Actually,
It's cute. I'm gonna look at the menu and then I'll show you guys what I end up getting because I don't know what to get. Guys, I got tacos. So it's like cheese wrapped around the meat, so.
Bro, mine is good. Your shit is juicy.
Good though. Tacos are bomb. We're gonna eat, and then I think we're gonna go to, like, we're gonna go get a drink after, like matcha or coffee. But enjoy our little food. Yum. I give it like a 8.5 out of 10. Okay, we decided to get crumbl cookie. It just got here. Traffic was not it, alright? I was literally almost at like 10 times. But I'm at crumbl. I can barely see. But me and my friend are gonna get the weekly little mini cookies. And then we're gonna do a little like taste test for you guys. So let's go inside. Hey! A big bag, big bag.
Which one do you want first?
Let's start with chocolate chip, maybe?
Yeah.
Chocolate chip taste test. Cheers. You said already.
This is the best one.
It's a good but a classic. I mean, a classic, but wait.
What do you give it?
I give it
Out of 10.
a 10.
I
I like this one. The line got long. We got lucky.
Oh my god.
The line is so long up. I don't know if y'all can see, but it was like 2 people in there when we went there. Now it's like 20,000.
This one, I don't know. It just has sprinkles and like white chocolate chips.
Ooh. It's like what? White macadamia or what?
I don't know. I think
They
so.
said cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. It's like cupcake?
What does it taste like?
Tastes like confetti. I'm not really picky.
I actually don't like it.
You don't like it?
I give that one like a 2 for real. Ooh, look.
Like, I feel like I love Oreos, so I feel like
This is bad. I'm gonna be so sad. I love Oreos. Ready?
Cheers. It looks like an ice cream sandwich.
Fun. That flavor
I like
is
it.
really in my mouth. For
Good?
real.
I like this one. I feel like you can't really taste that much Oreo. No, we can. I like it. Maybe because it's cold. Maybe if you heat it up, it's better. What do you think?
I don't like this. I don't even taste the cream.
I do.
Really?
I just feel coldness.
I give it a 6.
Same. I'm already sweetened out.
I know. And these are small ones.
I know. Vanilla bean. Or,
This one's pretty.
I don't know. It just tastes like frosting, bro. Nah, they just, no. The cookie itself is fine. But it literally tastes like,
It tastes like a sugar cookie.
yeah. It doesn't taste like vanilla bean to me.
No, girl, this is a 1. I'm putting this back. I'm gonna take one for the team on that. I give that a 1. I was so excited.
Yeah, I don't,
There's too much frosting.
least favorite. Yeah, there's a lot of frosting. I know, that's all I taste is the frosting. Let's try hazelnut.
I feel like this has to be good.
I bet it'll be good. Which one I like during the pumpkin season is, I think it's the pumpkin one. It's like pumpkin chocolate chip. Bomb.
Really?
That one is bomb.
I'm about to get that.
It smells good.
Yeah, I already know this one. Get it.
Okay, taste test.
Cheers.
I can't really taste hazelnut.
I just taste the salt, baby.
It's good though. It tastes like hazelnut though. No, right?
If there wasn't as much salt, I would taste the hazelnut more. But the salt is overtaking the.
Yeah, it's still good though. I don't
It
really
needs
taste
more
hazelnut.
chocolate.
It does. Like, what the hell is this? And look at the inside. Like, it's like very thin ass. What the
You
hell?
can't even see it because it's like so thin.
No.
It's like a piece of paper.
I'm gonna go back in, but like, can you put even more?
Actually, can you remake this one?
It's all gone. Every time I hang out, guys, we're gonna do a crumble review.
Stop.
We should.
Every week too.
We should because I never
No,
eat
because
crumble.
we could get the minis.
Anyways, the last one is strawberry.
Strawberry.
As in this piece.
I couldn't break it.
Like, let me just try a little piece because low key I'm sugared out. Oh shit.
I know.
I'm actually a big sweet tooth, but I feel like I'm just full. I need water too. This one already got it.
Stop. I need water.
I'm thirsty.
When you watch it
I'm
back,
dehydrated.
when you watch it back, water.
I'm literally gonna gulp my standing again in the car. Anyways, this one's strawberry, whatever. I don't know.
Strawberry
Taste test. I like this one. I like it. Oh, I feel like you might not like it because I think it has white chocolate chip. It has it? No?
No, yeah, I don't like it. Because that's all I taste. Where's the strawberry?
Yeah. Beautiful.
I'm dead.
Who's done?
Chocolate chip for the win.
How would you? This is our little crumble review. Moral of the story: don't go. I'm kidding. It was interesting.
Look, we didn't even eat all of it.
But like that's literally all we're gonna do. We're like both tired. That was the review. Like, let me show you guys what we left. They're all full.
So much.
But let's start by the